Why Git matters.
Git is a powerful version control system used by developers worldwide. It helps track changes in code, collaborate with team members, and manage software projects efficiently. Learning the essential Git commands is crucial for smooth project management and effective teamwork.
Starting a repository.
Begin by creating a new repository with Git init. If you want to download an existing project, use git clone repository URL. These commands lay the foundation for your work and enable you to start version controlling your files right away.
Tracking changes.
After making changes, use git status to see file modifications. Stage files for commit with git add file name or git add dot for all changes. Commit them to your local repository using git commit-m message. This process captures meaningful snapshots of your progress.
Working with remote repositories.
To share and get updates, use git push to upload local commits to a remote server and git pull to fetch and merge changes from others. These commands help keep your codebase synchronized with your team, preventing conflicts and ensuring collaboration runs smoothly.
Managing branches.
Branches allow you to develop features safely. Create a branch with git branch name and switch using git checkout name or git switch name. Merge branches with git merge name. This flexibility makes experimenting with new ideas much safer and more organized.
Resolving conflicts and undoing changes.
Sometimes changes conflict with others. Use git status and git diff to identify issues. If you need to undo changes, commands like git checkout, dash, and git reset are essential. Understanding these tools helps fix mistakes and keeps your history clean.
Key takeaways.
Mastering essential Git commands from cloning and committing to branching and merging empowers you to manage code efficiently. Strong Git skills streamline your workflow, prevent loss of work, and enable seamless collaboration with other developers on any project.